Okay, we are given this problem. Find the root of the equation ax² plus 8 into bracket b minus a bracket close x plus 4 bracket open 4a minus 8b plus c bracket close equals to 0 are 4 minus 2 alpha and 4 minus 2 beta. Find the equation whose roots are alpha and beta. Now, this problem is like we are working in the reverse. They've already derived the equation whose roots are 4 minus 2 beta, 4 minus 2 alpha, and 4 minus 2 beta. Those are the roots of this equation. Before they could have gotten this particular equation, whose roots are this, and this, they must have started from alpha and beta. So now they are assuming that we don't know the sum of the roots, which is alpha and beta, and the product, which is alpha beta, that we should find that particular equation from which this one was derived from. So that is what we are asked to do in this question. So let's see how to go about solving this question. So the first thing we need to do is this is the question we are given. The roots of this question, the roots of 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 this equation is or are 2 minus, sorry, let me see, I'm not writing down, 4 minus 4 4 minus 2 alpha and 4 minus 2 beta. So these are the roots of this equation. So we need to find the sum of the root. So the sum of the roots will be 4 minus 2 alpha plus 4 minus 2 beta. So the sum of the root for that will be minus 8 into b minus a over a. So that's the sum of the root. Then the product of the roots, that will be 4 minus 2 alpha 4 minus 2 beta. So that will be the product of the roots. So that will be 4 into bracket 4a minus 8b plus c over a. So that will be the product of the roots. So we write this. So remember, we are looking for alpha plus beta. That will be the sum of the original roots of the particular equation from which this one was derived. This particular man was derived. So we want to look for that. So let's start with the sum of the roots. So let's simplify this. This will give us, I'm going to take this out, the sum of the roots. I'm going to take it out and let's start with it. So this will give us 8 minus 2 alpha minus 2 beta equals to, we put minus 8 into b minus a over a. So that is that. So we now have 8 minus 2 alpha plus beta. I'm factorizing. So I can bring this man down. So now we can subtract 8 from both sides. So if you subtract 8 from both sides, what you will have here is this equal to, I can bring this man down. minus 8. So minus 2 into alpha plus beta equals to, so we have minus 8 into b minus 8 minus 8a over a. So now we are almost through with getting this. So we have 2 into alpha plus beta minus 2. So I can factorize this side. Minus equal to minus 8. I'm factorizing minus 8. I'm going to put a good bracket. So we have b minus a minus a plus a. Sorry for that. Plus a. So that's what we have for that. So I'm closing the bracket all over a. So what I have here, I can still work on this. I can still say minus 2 into a plus b into, say, alpha plus beta equals to. So if you open up that bracket, you have minus 8 bracket open b minus a plus a bracket close over a. So what you have here will just be minus 8b over a. So you can now divide both sides by minus 2. So by the time you divide both sides by minus 2, you have alpha plus beta is equals to what you have here will be just 4b over 2. So that is the sum. This is the sum of the roots that we are looking for. So we have gotten the first one. So the second one is the product of the roots. So let me save this so that you see it clearly. So I'm now moving to the product of the root, which we have gotten already. So I'm putting this. The product of the roots. So let me just copy it. So we have done the first part. So we are now moving to the product of the root. Product of the roots. So we have this. So product of the roots. So I'm going to continue from here now. Remember we have gotten our alpha plus beta. So I want you to have that at the back. Let me copy it so that it will be easier for us. We're getting our alpha plus beta. So this, but by the time we divide, this one will not be, sorry, there's a mistake there. By the time we divide by 2, we just have 4, we just have 4b over a. That's what we have, not over 2. So I need to copy this. Let me just copy what we have here. So we have this. Then with the next one I'm working, it will be clearer. So I don't want to be going back. So we have this. We are going to work with this now. We know our alpha plus beta. So I'm going to work with this man and expand it and simplify it. Expand and simplify. By the time we open this will give us 16 minus 8 beta minus 8 alpha plus 4 alpha beta equals to. So I'm going to simplify this now for us to apply. So we have 16 minus 8 into alpha plus beta plus 4 alpha beta equals to that. So I'm going to just copy this and paste. So now we can collect the what we are looking for is the product. So we are alpha beta and bring the other one to the other side. So we can bring this man to this side. So plus 8 into alpha plus beta minus 16. So we have that. So now we know our alpha plus beta already. Our alpha plus beta is 4. So let me write it here. So substitute into, sorry, my battery is running down. So we have this. So we have, this is what we are now into, let's call into substitute. Okay, let me write like this. Substitute for alpha plus beta. So anywhere we see alpha plus beta, we will substitute 4b over a into it. So so instead of writing alpha plus beta here, so I will just write 4b over a. So that's what we have there. So let's simplify this further. 4 alpha beta is equals to 4 into 4a minus 8b plus c plus c. Going into a single fraction. So we have 32b minus 32a. So is equals to, so we have 4 alpha beta. I'm looking up everything now. We have 16a minus 32b plus 4c plus 32b minus 32a minus 32a all over a. So this is what we have. This is 32. So this is an error here. That will be minus 16a. 16a. So this is 16a. So it's 16a. Sorry. It happens as you work, but go over your questions as you step by step so that you can know where you are making mistakes. So 4 alpha, 4 beta. So if we simplify this 16a minus 16a will cancel out. Minus 32b and plus 32b will cancel out. So what we have here is just 4c over a. So divide both sides by 4. So if you do, we have alpha beta is equals to, by the time you divide both sides by 4, you have c over a. That's what we will have for the alpha and beta. So we know our alpha plus beta, our alpha plus beta is equal. We already gotten that. I copied it out. Our alpha plus beta. Okay, I just copy this. Our alpha plus beta our alpha plus beta is equals to that, then our alpha beta is that. So we can get the new root, the equation whose roots are alpha and beta. So so that will be x squared minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So we just substitute in the values that we have gotten. So let's put in the values. We have x squared minus, so our alpha plus beta, which is 4b over a, so 4b over a x plus c over a equals to 0. So multiply 2 equals to 0. Multiply, multiply, multiply 2 by a. So we have ax squared minus 4b x plus c equals to 0. So this is the equation that we are looking for. This is the equation. So we can see that the equation whose roots, okay, let's look at this, is this one. So this is how to go about solving this type of question. This is the second type of question. This is the same type of question I'm solving. I've solved one like this before, so you can go over our videos again to watch how I solved the previous one. It's so similar with this also. So you can go over it and watch this one also. So if there's any problem that comes this way, you'll be able to tackle it. So thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like our videos, to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then share our videos to your friends, to your colleagues. Tell people about this channel that we're solving maths. So thank you for watching. So go over the problem once again. So try and take your pen and solve. So thank you. See you again in the next video.